The second part of this dashboard exercise requires from us creating another pivot table, but this time maybe in the existing worksheet with the GOG. You can place it somewhere on the right and place there the only calculation that we need, which is the target realization as a percentage calculated field. Calculated field, target realization as a percentage. Let's take the sales and divide it by target. Apply, hit OK, check the results as a percentage. 98%, this is what we actually reach in here. We do it on purpose in the GOG worksheet because this is the expected visualization of this target realization. This is a chart template that you can find also on my Polish blog, which needs to be filled with the value referred to the target realization that we have. So we will take the number coming from the M1 cell and multiply it by 100. This is how you actually get the expected result. And the last element, we need to round the result to have no decimal places, so number of digits 0. This is how in the label you get the number and the percentage too. Now let's cut this GOG chart and paste it somewhere in the desired dashboard page. You can also decrease a bit the font size of the target realization KPI. And what is more, we need to connect the slicer to this particular GOG to make sure it's going to take it into consideration.